God damn. Oh, you're going. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Watch Horn. Today, we are going to talk about Centurion arms. Uh, as you can see here on my shirt, I placed an order with him and I ordered a shirt too. I wanted a barrel and a few other things, but while I was perusing the website, I found these Glock mag extensions. So I went ahead and ordered one. My order came in. It turned out they sent the wrong one. So I contacted them. 10 minutes later, Lindsay from customer service replied, got the right one sent out that day. That's fantastic service. Got it? I went ahead and placed another order and got some more because they're pretty dang handy. So when you get it for their Glock, this is for the 17. It's a +5. But the cool part, it comes with 2 springs. I didn't understand why, but then I remembered in my pile of junk parts, I had this Killer Innovations +5 mag extensions. Uh, what sucks is it didn't come with a spring, and it was $60. This is $33, and it's smooth. It's not going to hang up on your clothes. No snags. That's pretty handy. Well, that extra spring, I finally got to use this. So, to hell with Killer Innovations for not shipping with a spring. You guys suck. But now we need to know how good they are. Do the springs work? Will they feed? Because with the factory spring in this one, that last 5 rounds, that didn't come out at all. So with Centurion sending 2, we're going to give them a shot. And we're also going to see what else those mag extensions are good for. What do you say? Let's throw some ears on. We'll grab the handy dandy Glock 45 MOS. We'll grab the Centurion. What do you think? Mini-Me or Ivan?
Ivan.
Ivan it is. That fed all the way through. Well, that's plus. How about with the Killer Innovations? With the Killer Innovations mag extension and the Centurion spring, it fed all the way through. Thank you, Centurion, for sending 2 springs instead of 0 with your mag extensions. What else are they good for? Oh, I don't know. Let's go over to the table and see if they work as hammers. Well, here we go. It works. Oh, look at that. It won't drive it all the way in because it's angled. +1 for Centurion. What happens if you run out of mags and maybe have to throw your mag at the attacker? Let's go see what happens. Damn wood bees flying around here. All right. Killer Innovations up first. popped right off. Well, let's see how Centurion does. I missed. I'm going to go grab that quick. After I totally missed the first time, to clarify, this is what happens if you run out of ammo and have to throw your mag at the attacker. I was zinging it in there, man. That was at least 95 mile an hour. I could have gone pro. Where were you? It also broke off. So you only get one shot if you're throwing your mag at your attacker. Throw the gun next, okay? Or just be prepared and carry more mags with extra ammo. Let's see if we can find all the pieces, try and put them back together. We'll put them back together, try to anyway, and see if they can still function. We'll be right back. Both mags reassembled and reloaded. Let's see how they go. Hopefully, I assembled them properly. Not going to say it this time.
Hopefully you can shoot better and you can throw.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, you want to go hold Crazy Ivan for me, Ivan?
Sure. A little better.
A little better. Let's not forget, without Centurion sending the extra springs, this wouldn't even be possible. Killer Innovations, back up. What have we learned here today? Number one, Centurion Arms customer service is badass, very quick. They have decent t-shirts, and their mag extensions work better than Killer Innovations. For multiple reasons. It drove the nail all the way in. That's important. It's nice and smooth, so it's not going to snag on anything. It's also half the price. All in all, I'm going to keep getting these and I'm going to keep running them. You do what you want, but if you need extra springs, you're going to have to get Centurion Arms. And to be clear, I bought all this myself. Nothing was given to me in any way, shape, or form. They have no idea who Rob is, and they probably don't know what the watch horn is because there's only like 40 of you that watch the videos. So nobody's giving me anything for free or discounted. That's going to do it for this time. Get your asses out of here. Get to your range. Go train. Be gone. Get going. Be gone. Get on out of here.